but it does work good. That's the one tree that we tap the traditional way here. And that's my grandson Tommy out checking to see how much sap was in the bucket that morning. And the other trees that we tap are all on a network of plastic tubing that goes from tree to tree. And it's a modern innovation that just saves us a tremendous amount of work, and we can keep the sap cleaner. A lot of benefits from using that tubing. Look at that. That's a big maple tree. We have a kind of a short and sweet growing season up in this region, but give us 200 years, we can grow a damn good maple tree. And that is one. The sap is stored in the roots of the maple tree during our long cold winter. Then it comes up the sapwood of the tree, which is a layer of wood about 3 to 4 inches thick just under the bark. It's actually the cambium layer of the tree. It comes up that wood to get ready for the growing season, to grow the leaves. And during about a 6-week period of time, during March and April, we can borrow a small portion of the tree's sap. We're tending nowadays to take a smaller portion. The maple trees are giving us some distress signals. We can't do anything about the acid rain problem, the smokestacks in the Midwest, except we holler about that some. We do needle the politicians if we get a chance. But as sugar makers, we're tending to put less taps on a tree to take a smaller portion of the tree's sap. By today's standards, that tree's over-tapped. The sap, as it comes up the tree, when we get just exactly the right kind of weather conditions, it seeps into the tap hole and just drips out the sap spout. I have seen one of the 16-quart sap buckets fill up in half a day in a real good sap run. Looks much like water, just about the same consistency as water, and it's good to wet the whistle with early in the spring. There are